What's up YouTube? It's American Farm Restoration coming back to you with another video. Today we're going to be mowing with a Cubcadet ZT1 54-inch deck. Today's going to be a little bit different. There will be no sound of the machine running because we're actually recording with the new DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. So there's no sound on that. Take a look. We're just going to be doing what we always do and mowing, but we're going to have footage from the sky. Well guys, that's it for this video. I know it wasn't much, but we just got the drone, so we just learned how to use it. We have more footage coming. It'll be on the around the pond and out front of the property. That'll be coming the next video. So if you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon, you will get notified when we post it. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. That's alright. That's cool.